What is this?
It is a cat.
What are these?
They are cats.
What is this?
It is a kitten.
What are these?
They are kittens.
Are cats bigger than kittens?
Naturally. Kittens are their babies.
So, kittens are smaller than cats?
Yes, of course.
Oh, look at these kittens. How old are they?
They are 1 day old. They were born yesterday.
How many kittens are there here?
There are 7 kittens in all.
And who is this?
She is their mother.
See. I. Here. Ear.
Open. The door is open. Closed. Now it is closed.
Are these kittens sleeping?
No, they aren't.
But their eyes are closed.
That is because they are born blind.
So they can't see?
That is true. They can't see for a week or 2. Then their eyes are opened. In other words, they can see when they are 2 weeks old.
And their ears are very small.
Because they are closed.
Can't they hear?
No, they can't because they are born deaf.
Can they hear 1 or 2 weeks later?
Yes, they can.
What are these kittens doing?
They are drinking milk.
Whose milk are they drinking?
They are drinking their mother's milk.
Are these kittens drinking their mother's milk?
No, they aren't.
Why not?
Because their mother is dead.
So they are orphans.
Yes, they are.
What is the mother cat doing?
She is cleaning the kitten.
Who is cleaning this kitten?
A woman is cleaning it.
What are these kittens doing?
They are playing.
What is the mother cat doing?
She is watching them.
Who is the kitten playing with?
It is playing with a baby dog.
What is this kitten doing?
It is flying.